two legendary pickup trucks from two very different eras. One is a classic American icon, the 1953 Ford F100 Pickup. The other is a symbol of Japanese durability, the 1991 Toyota Pickup 4x4. Which one is more valuable today? And which one is cheaper? Watch until the end. 1953 Ford F100 Pickup. Price: $49,900. Estimated payment: $367 a month. The 1953 Ford F100 marks the beginning of a new era in American pickup truck history. This truck is not just transportation. It is a foundation of modern pickup design and a true collectible today. Character and philosophy. Built in the early 1950s, the Ford F100 was engineered with simplicity and strength in mind. Thick steel, a solid frame, and mechanical reliability were the priorities. There were no electronics, no driving aids, just pure mechanical engineering. Its design is instantly recognizable. Rounded fenders, long hood, bold front grille, timeless classic American styling. Driving this truck feels like stepping back in time. Engine and driving experience. Most 1953 F100s came with an inline-6 or classic V8 engine. Performance by modern standards is modest, but torque delivery is strong and the engine sound is rich and mechanical. This truck is not about speed. It's about emotion, history, and presence. Pros: 1953 Ford F100. Extremely high collector value. Iconic classic American design. Strong steel frame and construction. Increasing value over time. Huge nostalgic appeal. Cons: 1953 Ford F100. Very low comfort for daily driving. Poor fuel efficiency. No modern safety features. Requires careful maintenance. Not practical for modern traffic. Interim conclusion. The 1953 Ford F100 is not a logical purchase. It is an emotional and historical investment. Check out this stunning 1953 Ford F100 pickup. This F100 has undergone a complete restoration with no expense spared. This pickup has been finished in a beautiful dark green exterior color along with the oak-lined bed, chrome bumper and a white painted roof. Under the hood sits a 215 CI inline 6-cylinder engine with a factory style carburetor. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a 3-speed manual transmission and factory style rear end with a 3.89:1 gear ratio. Additional features include steel fenders, steel running boards and new exhaust system. Inside, the interior of this 1953 F100 is completely restored. Take a look inside to see the custom leather bench seat, rubber-lined floor, custom door panels, body color matched dashboard, custom headliner, heat controls, factory-style steering wheel, factory gauges. Underneath features new shocks, painted black frame, drum brakes, painted driveshaft, and the factory battery box location.